Everyone thinks the best-selling metal cutting bandsaws are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1. DeWalt 20V Max Bandsaw. The DeWalt 20V Max Bandsaw caught my eye with its impressive 5-inch cutting capacity and portability. At around $330, it's aimed at serious users who need something reliable on the job. If you want powerful cuts in tight spaces, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 5-inch cutting capacity means you can tackle a variety of materials without needing to switch saws constantly. Plus, the brushless motor ensures durability and great performance, so you're not left with a battery-draining monster. With the integrated hang hook, you can store it easily without worrying about damaging your workspace. The LED work light is a nice touch too, illuminating dark areas for precise cuts. Now, some people complained about the fact that it's a bare tool, so you'll need to buy the battery separately. Here's the thing though, most serious users likely already have DeWalt batteries or are willing to invest in them, so this isn't a deal breaker for someone serious about their work. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or a DIY enthusiast looking for a powerful, portable bandsaw. Skip this one if you need something for casual use or are on a really tight budget. For the quality and features, it offers solid value for your money. Now, if the DeWalt spare tool situation bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2. Milwaukee M18 Fuel Deep Cut Bandsaw, priced around $318.87. What stood out to me is its power state brushless motor, which delivers a remarkable 550 SFPM. If you want a saw that can power through tough jobs, this one deserves your attention. The 5-inch by 5-inch cut capacity is impressive, allowing you to make substantial cuts, and it can handle up to 78 cuts on a single charge. That's seriously impressive for a battery-operated tool. Plus, the automatic blade brake helps protect sensitive materials nearby, which is a game saver. The integrated rafter hook means you can hang it up when not in use, saving space. However, there were some mentions of it being a bit on the heavier side. Here's the thing though, while it might feel heavier during long periods of use, the power and efficiency you gain more than make up for it. It's designed for those who demand performance. This is perfect for professionals who need a dependable saw for frequent, heavy use. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight for occasional jobs. Considering its performance, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers.
Product number 3. Wen 9-inch Bandsaw. The Wen 9-inch bandsaw comes in at a very affordable $124.44. When I first saw it, I was impressed by how budget-friendly it is while still delivering solid performance. If you're just starting out or need a reliable saw for basic tasks, this is worth a serious look. What I love about this saw is its 2.8 amp motor that rotates the blade at up to 2,500 feet per minute. That's pretty fast for the price. It can handle cuts up to 3.5 inches deep and 9 inches wide, which is great for a variety of woodworking projects. The spacious work table that bevels up to 45 degrees adds versatility to your cuts. Now, some users reported that the assembly can be a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the performance is quite impressive for a saw in this price range. It's a great choice for hobbyists who want to avoid high expenses. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or someone who needs a second saw for lighter jobs. Skip this if you need something that can handle heavy-duty tasks. For its price, it offers exceptional value. Now, if you need something that's more specialized, let's check out the next product.
Product number 4. Bosch 64 1/2-inch bandsaw blade, priced at just $12.16. While it may not be a saw itself, this blade is a crucial component. If you want to ensure your saw is cutting efficiently, this is worth a serious look. This blade is specifically designed for metal applications, which means it can handle tough materials without overheating. The optimized tooth geometry allows for smoother cuts and longer life, which is essential if you're working on projects that demand precision. Plus, it fits most common bandsaw sizes, making it a versatile option. Some users mentioned that it can dull faster than expected under heavy use. Here's the thing though, for those occasional metal cutting jobs, it performs quite well and is a budget-friendly option. This is perfect for anyone who already has a bandsaw and needs a reliable blade for metal. Skip this if you need a blade for softer materials. For the price, it's a great way to upgrade your cutting capabilities. Next up, we have one more option that might just surprise you.
Product number 5. Skill 2.8 amp 9-inch benchtop bandsaw.
Check out the Skill 2.8 amp 9-inch benchtop bandsaw, priced at $159.99. I was really drawn in by its features, especially the powerful 2.8 amp induction motor. If you want a reliable saw for your woodworking projects, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this saw is its 2-speed drive system, allowing you to adjust speeds for different materials. The quick blade tension setting means you can achieve clean cuts without wasting time. It also boasts a dust port that minimizes mess while working, which is always a plus. Now, some users found the assembly instructions a bit confusing. Here's the thing though, once you get it set up, the performance and features really shine, making it a solid choice for most DIYers. This is perfect for you if you're a woodworking enthusiast or someone who frequently tackles projects at home. Skip this if you need something for heavy industrial use. For its price and features, it's a great bang for your buck.
We've covered some fantastic options. The DeWalt for power, Milwaukee for performance, Wen for affordability, Bosch for blades, and Skill for woodworking. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, but they all cater to different needs. Consider what you're looking for, and you'll find the right fit for your projects.